Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make alien voice in Voice Changer with FX app. But first, I just want to mention, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm gonna show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy and how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, let's open the app. As we can see, here we have a lot of options, but first we need to record something. For record on audio file, we have to press the microphone icon on the top center. For example, let's say, hello guys, I will show you how to change your voice with this app. Now we could choose from ton of different effects. For the alien effect, we have to scroll down a little bit and we have to search the alien option. As we found it, we have to press the play button next to the alien text.
Hello guys, I will show you how to change your voice with this app.
And that's it. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye.